Today I'm going to show you an AI assistant that can switch themes, navigate through your dashboard, and fill out forms, all without touching your mouse. This is a Telnyx AI Assistant with client-side tools, where the assistant can safely invoke JavaScript functions directly in your browser. Let me show you how this works. This is a random test dashboard for Forge AI, some test company that I just made up to show you this feature. But the important part is this website voice agent that's right here. Let's try to call it.
Hi, I can control this Forge AI dashboard from the browser. Ask me to switch themes, navigate, or create an assistant.
Yeah, great. Can you actually change my theme to dark mode?
The theme has been switched to dark mode.
Great. Can you also make an AI assistant for me?
The assistant creation modal is open. Please provide a name. Voice Nova, Cedar, Luna, Atlas, and language English, Spanish, French, German for your new assistant.
Okay, can I name it appointment scheduler and change the voice to Luna and the language to Spanish?
The assistant is set up with the name appointment scheduler, voice Luna, and language Spanish. You can now press Save Fake Assistant, or let me know if you want to adjust any other fields.
Great, that's amazing. What else can you do for me?
I can help you switch themes between light and dark, navigate to different sections like Overview, Assistance, Analytics, or Settings, and assist in creating AI assistants. Let me know if there's anything specific you'd like to do.
Can you navigate to the Analytics tab?
You're now on the Analytics section. Let me know if there's anything else you'd like to do.
Okay, I think that's all. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. If you need any more help, feel free to ask. Have a great day.
So, as you can see, this was just a test example, but it was able to create an assistant for me here, go to the Analytics tab, and then change my theme for me, all just through a voice interaction, so I don't have to touch my mouse at all. Let's check out a code example to see how this works. Let's head into the Telnyx config, which is just going to be in the lib file here. And here, the most important part is just this next public Telnyx agent ID. So here's pretty much what's going to tell the browser which AI assistant to connect to. If we head over to the page.tsx in the SRC folder, app, and here, you can see this Telnyx AI agent provider. This is what connects the website to the Telnyx AI assistant using the Telnyx AI agent lib. Let's look for the tool. So the tool registrar here is just going to give the assistant its approved actions. So here you can see it can set the theme, navigate to sections, create assistants, and get form state. The main takeaway is that client-side tools let the Telnyx assistant do more than just talk about the website. The assistant can actually take those approved actions inside the current browser session, like navigating an app or updating visible form fields, without the user having to manually click through every step. You can try this out for yourself by cloning this repo and updating the environmental variables. Thanks for watching.